Hi, are you tired to tracking your attendance percentage? Then try Market. This app help you to track your attendance simply tapping on bunk or attend, and this app also shows smart suggestions for bunk and attractive graphical comparisons. This is a full tutorial guide of setting the Market app. First, navigate to the settings section. Then open the edit timetable option and customize it according to your class schedule, whether your working days are Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday. Select your class start time, end time, and class duration. Additionally, specify your lunch start time and lunch duration. Once you have submitted all the required information, your timetable will be automatically generated based on the details you provided. Next, move to the timetable section. On the top right corner of your screen, you will find the Add Class button clearly visible. Tap on it. A new page will load, titled Add Class. Here, you can enter your subject name in the subject field according to your class timetable. Then, fill in the professor's or teacher's name. This step is completely optional. After that, select the day, for example, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Now choose your class start timing as per your timetable. The duration will be automatically set according to your earlier input, and the end time will be automatically detected. Once all the details are entered, tap on the Save button. Your timetable will now be automatically created, and the time slots will be clearly visible on your screen. You can also tap the plus button on any day or at any time to add another class. The Add Class page will open again, and the start and end timings will be automatically detected. You just need to enter the subject name and professor's name, and then tap on Save. Repeat the same process for all remaining sections. If your scheduled subject is the same at the same time across all days, simply go to the list section and tap the copy button to duplicate it across all days. However, if your scheduled subject is not the same or occurs at different times on different days, then fill it manually, one by one. After completing this process, your complete timetable will be ready. Once done, go to the home page. Here, you will see your scheduled classes displayed according to your timetable. You can mark your attendance easily by simply tapping on Attend or Bunk. Your attendance percentage will be automatically calculated, and the total percentage will be visible at the top of the screen. After marking attendance for a particular day, a small underline will appear beneath that date, indicating that attendance has been successfully marked. If you ever forget to mark attendance for any day, that date will remain clearly visible, and you can mark it later as well. In case there is an extra holiday on a specific date, simply open the calendar, select that date, and tap on the Mark as Holiday button below. A new page titled Reason for Holiday will appear. This field is optional. You can fill in the reason if you wish and then tap the Mark Holiday button. That particular date will then be marked as a holiday in your calendar, helping you track non-working days with ease. If you wish to view your subject-wise attendance, simply scroll down the screen, and all subject-wise details will be clearly visible. To access smart suggestions, go to the Analytics section. Here, you can view your overall attendance, and under the Bunk Suggestions section, you can see smart recommendations such as how many days you can safely bunk or how many days you need to attend to achieve your target attendance percentage. You can also apply filters to view your highest, lowest, or most bunked subjects. Scrolling further down, you'll find a graphical representation of each subject's attendance percentage, providing a clear visual insight into your performance. If you wish to change your target attendance percentage, simply navigate back to the Settings section. In the Attendance subsection, you can effortlessly modify your target percentage. Within the Settings section, you can also customize the display mode, light or dark, and theme color through the display settings. Most importantly, if you want to download your report card, it will include your total attendance, target attendance, and subject-wise attendance details. This downloadable PDF report can be shared with your parents, friends, or teachers, allowing them to review your academic performance. Lastly, if you wish to delete all your data from the app, go to the Danger Zone and tap Reset All. A confirmation page will appear. Once you confirm, all your stored data will be permanently erased from the app. If you ever decide to start over, you can simply repeat the entire setup process again from the beginning.